guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. We are back here in Phuket, Thailand. So guys, I'll be spending a few weeks here in Phuket and Thailand. So this is Khao Beach and we're gonna explore more of the island. Kaya samahan niyo ako, let's go! Taking the buggy to the beach, then breakfast afterwards. Beach area guys para makita ninyo before we go to or we go for breakfast. Yeah. Time check at 7 AM. Ganda dito guys, dito sa Splash Beach Resort kasi may water park, may beach, and they have a lot of places for activities. May mga pool din. So it's quite a big resort. So especially now morning, so lakad-lakad muna tayo before breakfast. So this is the swimming pool. Sarap guys pag ganito early morning. Hindi naman early, 7 AM. So like walking, di ba? Muni-muni tayo about what we have been doing in our lives and how lucky we are na kahit pa paano nakakapag pamasyal tayo, kaikot-ikot and see the wonders of nature and the world, especially here in Thailand, specifically here in Phuket. So sana hopefully in God's grace makapunta pa rin tayo sa mga ibang islands and ibang resorts here, especially now it's almost summer. Papagutom muna ako before tayo mag-breakfast. It's nice, oh. Wala pang masyadong mga tao, diba? So I'm the only one walking around. So well and good. Organic vegetable farm. So organic vegetable and herb garden. Yeah. So they grow their own herbs and vegetables. Maybe I'm sure they also serve it in the restaurants here. Ito yung parang, I don't know if it's man-made lake, pero maganda. I think ito yung kanilang authentic restaurant, Thai restaurant dito sa resorts. Yan. Restaurant by the lake. Try natin yan pag may time. Okay, so we're walking. Ikot lang muna tayo before breakfast as mentioned. Alam nyo guys, how I wish kanina nag-contemplate ako when I woke up. Sabi ko sana nandito si Mama Z. No, because nadala ko naman siya sa Thailand. Nakapag-Bangkok na kami before. Stay kami sa Bayok Sky Hotel. But it was a long time ago. So hopefully guys, please help me na she gets through her post-stroke and gumaling siya so I can still travel again with her. But for now, so I'm doing this alone. I actually never really not a person who likes to travel alone, but I'm trying to little by little enjoy it and appreciate my time alone. So well and good, diba? So, sabi nga nila, mas marami kang mag-discover pag when you travel by yourself. Kaya malapit na tayo sa restaurant. Yung breakfast area. This is the breakfast area. We'll check the gym first. This is the gym. We go up. Fitness center. Kasi meron silang mga weekly activities guys. Craft, painting, exercise, creative, games. Nice. Meron din silang yoga room. Pwede ka rin mag-muay Thai guys. Thai boxing class. Yung yoga area. Medyo madilim. is the fitness center. So this is the Splash Jungle entrance. So 10 o'clock pa mag-open guys yung water park. But I think kasama na siya sa binayaran mo when you check in dito sa resort. Kung hindi naman, yan ang day trip. Adults 950, child, infant, at since senior na lolo mo joke lang, fee ang seniors, and for cabana for rent, yeah, 600 plus free towel. Meron din silang splash mart. So meron ditong pa pond or lake. Nice, oh. Punta natin yung isang swimming pool doon. Yung gift shop guys, or souvenir shop, pero close pa. May pa Japanese-inspired Zen. Ganda guys. So ito yung mini pool. Very nice.
what? We can ask someone to. No, I don't like this air.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and see you soon. Kapung kap.